Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we're stepping outside the four walls of our homes and focusing on a space that often gets overlooked, the sidewalk garden design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Sidewalk garden design, transforming these often neglected strips into vibrant extensions of our living spaces. Let's begin by defining what we mean by sidewalk garden design. It refers to the deliberate and thoughtful creation of planted areas along the public walkway adjacent to your property. This isn't simply about scattering a few flowers, it's about creating a cohesive and visually appealing landscape that complements your home's architecture and enhances the neighborhood aesthetic. It's about bringing nature to the urban environment, creating a welcoming transition between public and private spaces. A well-designed sidewalk garden considers factors like pedestrian traffic, local regulations, and the existing landscape, creating a harmonious blend of nature and urban living. Now, why should you consider investing time and effort into a sidewalk garden? The benefits are numerous. First and foremost, it drastically improves curb appeal. A well-maintained and beautifully designed sidewalk garden instantly elevates the look of your home, making it more inviting and attractive. It can also increase property value. Beyond aesthetics, sidewalk gardens contribute to a healthier environment. They help reduce stormwater runoff, provide habitat for pollinators, and mitigate the urban heat island effect. Furthermore, they foster a sense of community. They create a welcoming atmosphere and encourage interaction among neighbors. Creating a visually appealing sidewalk garden requires careful planning and execution. Consider the scale of your space. A narrow sidewalk requires a different approach than a wider one. Choose plants that are appropriate for your climate and the amount of sunlight the area receives. Think about texture, color, and height to create visual interest. Use hardscaping elements like pavers, stones, or low walls to define the space and create pathways. Maintain the garden regularly to keep it looking its best. Pruning, weeding, and watering are essential for a thriving sidewalk garden. Now, let's try to explore some of the most effective sidewalk garden styles. First, cottage garden. This style emphasizes a relaxed, informal look with a mix of flowering plants, herbs, and shrubs. Think overflowing blooms and a sense of abundance. Second, formal garden. Characterized by symmetry, clean lines, and geometric shapes. This style often uses clipped hedges, topiaries, and structured plantings. Third, modern garden. This style embraces clean lines, minimalist design, and the use of materials like concrete, steel, and glass. Plants are often chosen for their texture and form rather than their flowers. Fourth, Mediterranean garden. Drought-tolerant plants, gravel mulch, and terracotta pots are hallmarks of this style. Think sun-loving herbs, succulents, and olive trees. Fifth, desert garden. This style features cacti, succulents, and other drought-tolerant plants adapted to arid conditions. It emphasizes texture and form over vibrant colors. Sixth, tropical garden. This style evokes a lush, exotic feel with large-leaved plants, vibrant flowers, and a sense of abundance. Seventh, urban garden. This style adapts to the constraints of urban environments, often using raised beds, vertical gardening techniques, and container plantings. Eighth, Japanese garden. This style emphasizes balance, harmony, and the use of natural elements like rocks, water, and carefully pruned trees. Ninth, native plant garden. This style focuses on using plants that are indigenous to the local area, promoting biodiversity and supporting local ecosystems. 10th, succulent garden. This style features a variety of succulents, known for their unique shapes, textures, and low-maintenance requirements. They thrive in sunny locations and require minimal watering. And now, to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear the compilation of the top 10 best sidewalk garden design ideas for your next project inspiration. 1. Pathway border. Create a defined pathway with low-growing, colorful flowers or ground cover. 2. Vertical green wall. Utilize a wall or fence to create a vertical garden with climbing plants or wall-mounted planters. 3. Container garden. Use a variety of pots and containers to create a movable and versatile garden. 4. Mixed border. Combine different types of plants, including flowers, shrubs, and ornamental grasses, to create a layered and textured look. 5. Rock garden. Incorporate rocks and stones to create a natural-looking landscape. 6. Herb spiral. Create a raised bed in a spiral shape to grow a variety of herbs. 7. Miniature garden. Create a tiny world with small plants, figurines, and miniature accessories. 8. Shade garden. Choose shade-tolerant plants to create a cool and relaxing space. 9. Dry garden. Use drought-tolerant plants and gravel mulch to create a low-maintenance garden. 10. Color-themed garden. Choose plants with flowers or foliage in a specific color palette to create a cohesive and striking look. A pathway border is a simple yet effective way to define your sidewalk garden. Low-growing flowers like alyssum, lobelia, or creeping thyme create a soft, colorful edge that guides the eye and adds a touch of charm. These plants are typically easy to care for and can tolerate a range of conditions. By thoughtfully designing your sidewalk garden, you not only enhance your home's curb appeal, but also contribute to a more beautiful and vibrant community. It's an investment that yields both aesthetic and environmental benefits. We hope this video has inspired you to transform your sidewalk into a stunning garden oasis. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home and garden design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your own sidewalk garden ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.